better kill the radio. Otherwise the YouTube is gonna get mad. But yeah, welcome back. It's been way too long since the last time I filmed anything in here. Yeah, it's been over a week, I think. But yeah, here we go. Now I'm putting some painter's tape around here because yesterday I started painting the first walls for my boat. The first layer of paint. I hope the second one is gonna cover all the prints and stuff that I got here. But I'm not really that sure about this paint. It's Alkyd. Well, it should be high glossy white, so let's see how it goes. But that is one component paint, so it's a little bit easier to do than the top coat that I put in here, which at some point got a little bit too sticky. But I think I'm gonna try the top coat again now with some improved mixtures and yeah, tricks, because I got a lot of that and I think it's gonna be better on the floor. So, but the walls, all this and that wall I'm gonna do with that stuff over there. So yep, there's the insulation over there, and I made a new hull through ventilation hole for the pool tank. The old one is over there, but it was a little bit tricky because it was on the bed level, and yeah, I was thinking about doing like a nightstand to cover that, but my girlfriend didn't like the idea that there could be some smells coming out of the nightstand, so yeah, it's gonna be over there. I had to plug that. Remember to do that before I launch the boat. There's the storage locker thing. It's pretty big. So I used the old one. I just cut it in half because it had the other side, which had the small door. So I just cut it in half and put it in there. Yeah, pretty nice. Also, I'm pretty proud of the integration for this. It's pretty smooth. Yep, there's the small seat. No storage under that because the battery is taking the almost all the space out there. And the first piece is for the fridge. I'm gonna again use the same wood. I just found few pieces that can make this angle over here. Then I have to buy the thicker wood for the tabletop. Goes all the way over there. I'm probably gonna use or not the same wood for here for the table. Yep, the seats are on. Here's the backrest. For here it's detachable, so you can get to the locker over there. And yeah, there's a backrest for that, but that's gonna hang from there with the hinges, and it's not attached yet because we have to fabricate some cushion into it. But it's gonna lift up like that, like the old ones. Then it's gonna make a almost even surface over there, and you can put a lot more stuff under it and over it. So that's the point for that. Or you can put a little child bunk bed, but yeah, not sure if that's gonna happen. But here, I'm pretty stoked about the amount of storage that I got here. You can put stuff over the batteries. I think I need to cover the poles so that if there's any metal stuff, it don't make any short circuits. But over there's a lot of space, and also under here. Oh, yep. Also pretty decent amount space also under there. So let's continue. So, welcome back. It's been a while again. Sorry about that, but yeah. I'm gonna show you what I've done. So, the painting stuff is now almost complete. These pieces over here, I just put one coat of paint on those because, well, they're not gonna be shown. They're gonna be covered with the matrices, so it doesn't matter. And I forgot to paint that one, but maybe I do it later because I forgot something when I started painting the walls or all the wood. Is that, yeah, the wood tends to put its hair up when you paint it, so it's a bit rough, almost like sandpaper. So I should have sanded it after the first coat and then put the second coat. But yeah, I was thinking about maybe it gets smoother after the second coat, but it didn't, because I didn't like to do the sanding stuff again because it's a bit messy. I spent like 2 hours last time when I cleaned all this up before the painting for all the dust and stuff, so I don't like sanding and cleaning. Well, sanding I like it, I don't mind that, but the cleaning is different. So, but I might sand them later on at some point to make them smooth, and probably I don't have to paint it again. And I don't mind the stripes shining through the wood. I like the texture thing on that. The floor is a different thing because I used top coat on here, and it's still in this kind of a plastic wrap because it's oily, and I think it hardens better when you put the wrap on. Yeah. Hi there. Let's get back to the toilet business. So I've done quite a lot now, today and yesterday. Well, yeah, this is the head compartment, and I got the tubes almost all connected now. Yeah, let's put these hoses on, and I might do a little waterproof test if I can get the water up there with some buckets and then fill the tank or something. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, and there's the kitchen tabletop over there. One of the pieces. The other. Look what we did. Those boards over there. I wasn't planning to do that today, but my girlfriend came here to help me, and that was a good job for her to do. And I think she did a pretty good job. So yeah, but let's check out the head. Haha! Lot of hoses. But the funny thing is, I think I'm gonna keep it like this because it looks like a spaceship, you know, a toilet. And because this is the Millennium Falcon, that is a proper toilet for the spaceship. I was thinking about putting a sink over there, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. There's gonna be a mirror over there. It's gonna be nice. Yeah. Thanks again for watching, and see you soon on the next one. Bye bye.